In this lesson, we're going to learn two sentence ending particles, na and yo. Let's get started. First, let's learn na. You add na at the end of a sentence when you want to check or confirm something with the listener, like saying, right, in English. Ramen is 1,000 yen, right?
ラーメンは1000円ですね。
Next, let's learn yo. You add yo at the end of a sentence when you want to tell the listener something they may not know, like saying, I tell you, or, you know, in English. Tonkatsu is meat, you know.
とんかつは肉ですよ。
Let's compare na and yo. Na is used when you want to confirm or seek agreement, you already think you know the answer. Yo is used when you want to inform the listener of something they may not know. Let's review. Add na when you want to confirm something, right? Add yo when you want to inform someone of something, I tell you. Alright, let's practice. Ready? This is coffee, right? How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
これはコーヒーですね。
This is coffee, right? Nice. Mike is American, you know. How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
マイクさんはアメリカ人ですよ。
Mike is American, you know. Great. This is black tea, I tell you. How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
これは紅茶ですよ。
This is black tea, I tell you. You got it. Ramen is 1,000 yen, right? How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
ラーメンは1000円ですね。
Ramen is 1,000 yen, right? Well done. Emma is not Korean, right? How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
エマさんは韓国人じゃないですね。
Emma is not Korean, right? Nice. Mike is not Japanese, I tell you. How do you say this in Japanese? Pause and try.
マイクさんは日本人じゃないですよ。
Mike is not Japanese, I tell you. You did it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Japanese lessons. I'm now teaching Japanese online on Preply. Check the link in the description. See you in the next lesson.